This video walks you through how to delete a draft or awaiting approval bill in Xero. Begin from the top menu in Xero, click Purchases, then select Bills. This opens the Bills page where you can view bills in different stages and work with the ones that still have not been finalized. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the list and tabs are visible before moving on. Once you are on the Bills page, go to the tab that matches the status of the bill you want to remove. If the bill is still in draft form, click the Draft tab. If it has already been moved forward but is still waiting for approval, click the Awaiting Approval tab instead. Make sure you choose the tab that matches the bill's current status, because you will only see that bill in the section where it currently belongs. After opening the correct tab, look through the list and find the bill you want to delete. When you have located it, tick the checkbox next to that bill. This selects it and makes the action bar at the top of the list available for the next step. If more than one bill is visible, take a second to confirm you are selecting the correct one before continuing, since the delete action will apply to the bill you have checked. With the bill selected, move to the action bar at the top of the list and click Delete. This tells Xero that you want to remove the selected bill from the current list. At this point, the system will usually display a confirmation prompt before the deletion goes through. When the confirmation prompt appears, review it and confirm the deletion. This final confirmation is the point where the selected draft or awaiting approval bill is permanently removed from Xero. If you are deleting a bill by mistake, this is the moment to stop. Once you confirm, the bill will no longer remain in the draft or awaiting approval list. If you are working through several bills, it helps to pause here and check that the correct item has disappeared from the list after the page updates. That visual check confirms that the deletion was applied to the bill you selected and not to another one with a similar date or reference. If the list refreshes automatically, give it a brief moment to finish before you look for the result. The process is the same whether you start in the Draft tab or the Awaiting Approval tab. The only difference is choosing the correct tab at the beginning so you can find a bill in its current state and delete the right record. The selected draft or Awaiting Approval bill has now been permanently removed from Xero.